Welcome to Peekaboo segment. Are you ready to play the quiz? The 10th story has one animal in it. The clues for that character are: these animals are members of the canine family, which also includes the wolf and the dog. These animals look like a cross between a German shepherd and a fox. And these are nocturnal animals, which means that they sleep during the day and are active at night. If you haven't guessed the animal yet, we'll be putting up further clues on Friday. Ooh! Hi children! Today is the 10th episode. Are you ready to listen to the story of the blue jackal? Jackal is the animal that belongs to the canine family that looks like a cross between a German shepherd and a fox and is nocturnal. Let's find out how the jackal turned blue. There once lived a jackal in a forest, and he was quite unpopular amongst the animals. Unpopular is not liked. None of the animals liked him, for he was very cunning. One day, the jackal was roaming about in search of food. It was an unlucky day for him, for he did not get anything to eat. Tired and hungry, he walked on and on until he strayed into a city. Stray is to move away from the right place. He knew that it was not safe for a jackal to walk about in a city that had people in it, but he was so hungry that he just had to take that risk. Oh, I must find something to eat, said the jackal to himself. But I hope I'm not attacked by men and dogs. And just as he said that, he heard the sound of a few dogs barking. The jackal was afraid that they would soon be after him, so he broke into a run. But the dogs saw the jackal and began to chase him. The jackal ran faster and faster to get away from the dogs, but they were close behind him. In despair is to lose all hope. In despair, the jackal ran into a house. That house belonged to a dyer. Children, do you know what a dye is? A dye is a material used to add color or change the color of something. For example, if you want to change the color of this white shirt into blue, you dip it into blue dye and then it turns blue. And the person who does this is called a dyer. So the jackal ran into a house that belonged to a dyer, and in the yard was a large tub filled with blue dye. The jackal fell into the tub. The dogs came sniffing, looking for the jackal, but as they could not find him, they went away. The jackal stayed in the tub for a while longer until he was sure that the dogs had left. After a while, he crawled out. He was surprised to find that he had turned blue all over. He didn't know what to do, so the jackal hurried back to the forest. All the animals in the forest who saw him ran away in fear. They had never seen an animal of that color before. The jackal realized that the animals hadn't recognized him. He thought of a quick plan to take advantage of this fear. "Why are you all running away?" said the jackal. "Come on, all of you, come and listen to me." The animals stopped running and stood at a distance and looked at the jackal. They were still afraid to go close to him. "Come on, you don't have to be frightened of me. Go get your friends. I have something very important to tell you all." and one by one, all the animals went close to the jackal. The elephants, the tigers, the monkeys, deer, bear, and rabbits all went and stood around him. "You don't have to be afraid of me," said the jackal. "You are safe. I have been sent by God Himself to be your king. I will protect you all." All the animals believed what the jackal said. A tiger spoke up.
Your Majesty, we accept you as our king. Please tell what to do.
The jackal said, "You are to look after your king well. You must provide all the food that he needs." "Certainly, Your Majesty," promised the animals. "We will look after you well. Please tell us what more we can do for you." The jackal replied, "You must all be loyal to your king, and only then shall the king protect you from your enemies." The animals were satisfied, and from that day on, they provided the jackal with the most delicious of foods and looked after him well. The jackal lived in the forest as their king. Every day the animals went to the jackal with their problems. He listened to them and told them what to do. One day, as the jackal sat in court, there was a noise heard in the distance. It was the sound of a pack of jackals howling. He hadn't heard the sound of a jackal for a long time. He felt very happy and his eyes filled with tears of joy. Forgetting that he was the king, the blue jackal lifted his head and howled. Children, do you want to howl with me? And as the jackal howled, all the animals realized who it really was. It was the jackal. They were so angry, they all rushed at him to tear him into pieces, but the jackal was already on the run. Children, do you think the jackal was very smart, or were the animals very foolish? What do you think is the moral of the story? Please don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. Bye!
Do follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And once you subscribe to the channel, please hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we put up a new video. And also, if you like our videos, do share it with your friends and family.
Hi children! I hope you all enjoyed our last story, The Blue Jackal. If you haven't watched it yet, you could view it either on our YouTube channel Bob and Lulu or on the Bubble Rooms or Bob and Lulu's Instagram page. And if you have watched it and enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share the video and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The moral of the last story was that the true nature of a man cannot remain hidden for long. Love Thyself says, don't judge a book by its cover. Vivek says that too much of greed is bad, and Praya Prabuddha says you can't fool people for too long, true colors always come out. Now it's time to pick a lucky winner of our Guess the Animals quiz. This time we have received 4 correct entries. They are Sharav, Avik, nominated by Love Thyself, Ashni, and Arjun, nominated by Praya Prabuddha. And the lucky winner is Avik. Congratulations, Avik. We'll get in touch with you and you'll get to play a character in our next story. Bye.